The simple cardboard box often delivers us a gift. Be it hand sanitizer or candy, it often provides us with a lift. Usually we receive what others have made, yet we enjoy it without guilt. But there's a difference when in that box is something you have built. It's something we all have access to, yet you can't find it in stores. It didn't exist before, and yet now it's yours. Nicolene has done what most others don't dare do. She has realized her dream, and you can too. She pulled from within her heart, uncovered something innate. She had it in her all along, and finally she decided to create.